welcome back to the Burrow. I'm Hillary, your resident fragrance loving muggle. So today I have a bit of an unboxing. So I actually have 3 fragrances. One of them I will open, but I'm actually going to be doing a video on it tomorrow. Obviously without the box, so you won't be able to see the presentation. So I figured I'd go ahead and show it in this video, and then if you want to hear about the smell, you can catch up on that tomorrow or something. So, alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so I said I have 3 fragrances. Those 3 fragrances are Pearfecto by Gallagher, Enchanted Forest by Vagabond Prince, and The Eyes of the Tiger by Gucci. So I'll open the Pearfecto first. So this is the one that I'm going to be doing a video on tomorrow. So I don't want to smell it yet, but I will go ahead and show you the presentation. So I was a little disappointed because the 100 mils used to come in like a coffin case, like where it slid out and it had like silk and the bottle rested on that. And this one does not. It just came in the same box that my 30 mil came in. I'm gonna whip out the old knife-a-roo. I can get this open without ripping my box. Okay. And this has a double layer opening. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys that before on a Gallagher box. So the second little one that comes up says, "A new olfactory memory awaits." I kind of like that added touch. The nice thing about Gallagher boxes and the bottles themselves is that they all have the ingredients to the fragrance on the front. And then the back of these boxes says Gallagher Fragrances, size and concentration, their website, and made in the United States of America. The information on the bottom is just your ingredients and not tested on animals. Awesome possum. Okay. And as for the bottle, I do love these bottles. They're nice thick glass, and there's already handprints. I just made popcorn for my kids, so there's already freaking grease prints as soon as I touch the cap. But so these are really thick glass, and you see the Gallagher symbol on the front and Pearfecto, and again there's those notes. And if you kind of look on the side, you can kind of peek through and see the clover. Because Gallagher obviously is Irish, and so he has a whole bunch of different Irish themed things on his bottles. So it just looks so nice up on your shelf, and I really want to smell it. I really want to. No, okay, I'm gonna be good. Okay, we will do that tomorrow. I'm gonna do a day in the life tomorrow with this one. So yeah, that was the presentation on Pearfecto from Gallagher. Okay, so into the fun stuff. Okay, so Enchanted Forest by Vagabond Prince. This fragrance retails for $180 from, I got it at Lucky Scent. This is not a blind buy. This is one of my favorite fragrances. This is a fragrance that really concentrates on blackcurrant. And I have a, what is it called? I have a fragrant fiction planned for this fragrance. Come on now, cellophane. There we go. And so I really wanted to get the full bottle in that, and I had worn through multiple decants of this fragrance, and I just love it so much. Like, I really, really wanted a bottle. So this box is really, really nice. It says Enchanted Forest, Eau de Parfum, the Vagabond Prince, and then natural spray, size, that kind of fun stuff on the front. It says the same thing on the back. I love all of this filigree kind of metallic shiny on that. That's very fancy. There's the top. I'm trying not to let it fall because this is one that comes out of the bottom. A shitload of stuff on the bottom, all about ingredients and that kind of thing, and the lights aren't going to let you see it anyways. Who cares? Okay, so I'm so excited. I've always wanted a bottle of this. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's shiny on top. Okay. So this is like silk that it is resting on. And oh, that bottle is heavy. Oh, what is that? Is that glass? I mean, I don't really know. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful bottle. I love the moon. Ooh, that spins. That makes me a little scared. Do not want to drop this bottle right now. But, okay. Oh, that's a heavy cap. Which way is the atomizer facing? There's the atomizer. This is really heavy. Okay, let's see what the spray is like on this. Ooh, I hope you could see that in the thing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, so this fragrance is like the most beautiful blackcurrant fragrance I've ever smelled. So it really focuses on everything about blackcurrant. You've got the fruit, the buds, the leaves. Are there other parts of blackcurrant? I don't know. And then, so it's so beautiful and kind of juicy, but then you also smell like balsam, like fir balsam needles. So you literally smell this beautiful blackcurrant bush, and then it's like there are pine needles all around you on the ground, and it is gorgeous. It is aromatic, but it is so unique. There's also some booze in here and some other notes like that, but this fragrance is gorgeous. And like I said, I have plans for this one for a fragrant fiction. So you'll be seeing more of this one in the future, and I can't wait to do a full review on that for you. Okay, so last but not least, we have Gucci Eyes of the Tiger, and this is from the Alchemist Garden collection. Now, this bitch is expensive, okay? I paid for everything here, except, well, Pearfecto was a Mother's Day gift. But, yeah, so I paid for all of these. The Gucci Alchemist Garden is basically made up of 3 different types of fragrances. You have your scented waters, which I think they're kind of like an eau de toilette. I'm not 100% sure. But those are, I wrote it down. Those are $280 for 150 ml. And then you have your eau de parfums like this. And these are $340 to $370, depending on which fragrance you get, for 100 ml. And then you have your perfumed oils, and those are $420 for 20 mils. So it's expensive as balls, honestly. But I got 25% off of this fragrance from Neiman Marcus during their huge sale thing where they had 25% off of all their fragrances. So I got this for the cheapest I've ever seen it. So I'm really excited. This is a total blind buy. So the only notes that I know about in this fragrance are supposed to be vanilla, labdanum, and amber. So this whole series of the Alchemist Garden are meant to be layered. So like you can have like your ambery one, and then you can add like a rose perfumed or scented water thing with it, and then you can put an oil, so you can build your fragrances basically yourself. But I'm not made of money, so I'm just hoping that this one fragrance is good enough to just be a fragrance on its own. So we'll find out. Alrighty, let's crack this open. So this box is beautiful. This is like material almost. It's almost like I don't even know what to say about it. This texture, it's texturized. I mean, it feels like it's furniture almost. And then it has this beautiful metallic gold filigree stamped into it, and this beautiful crest on the front. I'm not sure if I can get that to come through, but absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm really excited to open this. Okay. Alrighty, so lid by. Inside, there is a pouch. Nothing doing on the inside of that box. And then this little bag, it's not like silk. It kind of feels like I don't know, kind of like a shower curtain. But it still looks really nice. And it still has the tiger for this particular fragrance. The other fragrances, like in the eau de parfum line, like there's an owl one, which is like for an iris fragrance, and there's just a few other different animals for each of their thingies. Oh, Lord have mercy. So the first thing I see when I open this up is, you want to show on their camera, is the little tiger on the top of this cap. Ah. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This, Like, this feels like porcelain almost. This is beautiful. This definitely looks like, you know, like a little Alchemist bottle. This is gonna look really cool on my Harry Potter shelf. So, okay, I hope this is like a cap. Yeah, there's nothing really on the bottom besides like size and then like the expiration date. Okay, good. So it does come off. This this is not as heavy as the other one. This definitely is metal, I think. Kind of like a combination of like metal and that porcelain feel of this bottle, which is kind of different. Okay. Go ahead and... Oh, did you see that? Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Okay. Let's see how this is on skin. Wowzers. That is really cool. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, it tingles. This is kind of fizzy. So I said vanilla, labdanum, and amber, but I'm really getting more the texture of ambergris. You know how it kind of has that fizzy texture to it sometimes? I'm really getting more of that than a smooth and creamy amber like I was expecting. This is kind of the texture of baby wipes. Like when you think about smelling a baby wipe, you know how it has like the soapy bubbles? It's kind of that texture. Does not smell like baby wipes though. Yeah, this comes off resinous, kind of bubbly. I could totally see how this would be a fragrance that you could layer, because you might want to add some like some juicy citrus or something like that on top of this. But I think this is just fine as its own fragrance, thank goodness. The vanilla that's in here though is beautiful. It kind of reminds me of just the vanilla in Sublime Vanille by Creed. These fragrances are not at all the same, but just the lightness of the vanilla that's in Sublime Vanille is similar to the vanilla that's in this. It's kind of powdery, similar to the way Ambre Nuit is powdery. I also smell something woody in here. There's no wood mentioned in the notes at all. Kind of like sandalwood maybe. But yeah, it definitely has woody characteristics to it that are not mentioned. Very, very nice. I'm trying to think if there's anything else this like could be compared to. I think probably the closest thing I can think of is maybe Ambre Nuit by Christian Dior. But again, it is not that fragrance at all. But this is a beautiful fragrance. So that was The Eyes of the Tiger by Gucci. And that bottle is so cool. I wish I could get it to not glare. But that is so beautiful. So these were my bottles today. And I am really excited to do a day in the life with Pearfecto tomorrow. And you will see these coming up soon in Fragrant Fictions, I'm sure. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by the Burrow and enjoying unboxing shit with me. I will catch y'all next time, and I hope you guys stay safe and healthy, and I love you all. Thanks. Bye.